everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Evelyn, and today I'm showing you how to assemble our Lux Chandelier Centerpiece. Let's begin. Begin by placing the metal dowel through the base column. Next, add the weighted base, washer, and flat end hex nut. Now add the other hex nut to the opposite end of the metal dowel to secure the bottom portion of the centerpiece in place. I'm using a large hex screw to tighten the hex nut at the top of the base column. Next, at the small center column, then unscrew one of the end caps from the metal tube and secure it onto the end of the metal dowel. Screw the metal tube onto the end cap, then screw the dowel pin provided onto the other end. Now add the chandelier ring and secure it in place using the screw cap. There are 3 sections on the chandelier ring to hang crystals onto. On the innermost section, I'm adding the acrylic hanging crystals. In the middle section, I'm adding a combination of glass and acrylic hanging crystals. Lastly, I'm adding a layer of glass crystals onto the outermost section. This Lux Chandelier centerpiece creates stunning refractions to instantly add a gleaming touch of elegance to any setting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to stop by our social media pages for more of an inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.